All right, this video is going to be using law of sines to solve an oblique triangle when the information is given in the order angle, angle, side. Okay? If you'll notice our diagram, we're given angles A and C, which are 20 and 25 degrees respectively, and we're given side C. Okay, side C is opposite a given angle here at 80.4. So we've got angle, angle, side. That allows us to use the law of sines. Okay? We're going to find angle B first. Again, it's because angle B is easy to find using basic geometry. We know the three angles add to be 180 degrees. Substitute the values we know, solve the remaining equation, and angle B has a measure of 135 degrees. Okay? Now, I'm going to choose my two ratios. I've told you to find side A first. Okay? So I have to use side A and angle A. The other given pieces of information involve both angles, angle C and side C. So I'm going to use the ratios containing A and C. So my equation would be side A, which I don't know, divided by the sine of angle A, 20 degrees, equals side C, 80.4, divided by the sine of angle C, which we know to be 25 degrees. We want to cross multiply. A times sine 25 equals 80.4 times sine of 20. I'm going to divide both sides by sine of 25 to get A by itself, and then use a scientific calculator to give you the value for A. So side A has a measure of 65.07 feet. Now, to find side B, all right, I'm going to use the ratio of B over sine of B. Okay. I'm going to continue to use the ratio containing side C and angle C because they're both given, and I don't want to deal with any values that I've calculated if possible. Okay. So, using the second and third ratios, I've got side B over the sine of 135, which I calculated, equals 80.4 divided by the sine of 25. Cross multiply. Divide both sides by the sine of 25. Okay, and then we use our scientific calculator to get a value for B, 134.52 feet. Okay, now, as with the previous video, you always want to make sure that the ratios match up, okay, in terms of if B is the largest angle, then side B should be the largest side, and that happens to be the case, okay? Angle C was the angle with the second greatest measurement, 25 degrees. It should be the second largest side, and it's 80.4 feet. That happens to be the case. Angle A was the smallest angle, so side A should be the smallest side, okay? That matches up. Now, that doesn't guarantee that our values are correct, but I feel pretty confident about these values and that we've solved this triangle correctly.